So today we are starting with Chapter 5 NCERT Computer Science. Python, जिसका नाम सुनते ही सभी को मजा आता है. So we are starting now Python from today. So let's watch, let's go to our class.
Hello everyone, today I am going to start chapter 5, getting started with Python. Now in this chapter, we will try to understand what is Python. So first of all, we should understand what is program. What is a program? Basically, we have to make programs in Python language. Python is what? Python एक programming language है जिसमें हम programs लिखेंगे और program होता क्या है? तो an ordered set of instructions to be executed by a computer to carry out a specific task is called a program. As you can see, there is a program definition written, that is an ordered set of instructions to be executed by a computer to carry out a specific task. And these programs are written in some programming language. Programming language is the language which we use to write our programs. And the language, you can say, जो language set of instructions को specify करती है. Computer. These are programming languages. Now there are two types of programming languages: high level and low level languages. Low level languages are called machine language, that is in the form of 0 and 1. And high level languages are like Python, C, C++, VB, PHP, Java. So these are all high level languages. So Python is one of the high level languages, but it is very easy to understand. So that is why Python is nowadays becoming very popular. So in this chapter, we will try to understand the introduction of Python, Python keywords, identifiers, comments, how to write comments, what are the different data types, operators, expressions, statement, input, output, type conversion, and debugging. Now, in this, a program written in high level language is called a source code. Now, हमें पता होना चाहिए कि सोर्स कोड किसे कहते हैं. जब भी हम किसी प्रोग्राम को किसी हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज में लिखते हैं, then it is called a source code. Now these source codes are provided to the computer, and the computer, it translates these source codes into machine language, because high level computers, जो computer है, that does not understand the high level language, so it converts high level programming programs, high level language programs into source code, which is in machine language. So there are two types of software which are used, that are compilers and interpreters. So compilers and interpreters are used to convert high level programming language into low level programming language program. Then we have Python. Python uses interpreter. Now here, यहाँ हमें पता होना चाहिए कि इंटरप्रेटर और कंपाइलर के बीच में क्या डिफरेंस है. So there is a big difference between interpreter and compiler. Python जो है, it is also called interpreted language because it uses interpreter. Interpreter is a software which reads the statement, which processes the instructions line by line or one by one. First it translates and then it executes. So this process is continued until an error is encountered or the whole program is executed successfully. Now in both the cases, whether we are using compiler or interpreters, a compiler translates the entire source code as a whole into an object code. After scanning the whole program, it generates error messages, if any. Okay. Now it comes features of Python. Now before further studying about Python, we should know the features of Python. Now, how to download Python? In the next video, we will try to learn how we can download the Python on our desktop or on any laptop. So, because we have to make programs, on Python. So we have to install Python. So how it can be downloaded, that we can understood in the next. Features of Python. Python is a high-level language. It is free and open source language. It is an interpreted language. High-level language, free है, ठीक है, openly available है, open source code is open and freely available. Okay, it is an interpreted language. Third, it is easy to understand because it has very simple syntax and simple structure. One of the main feature of Python is it is case sensitive. Case sensitive का meaning क्या है? अगर there are two words like number and number, if we write number in capital letters and in small letters, then both are not same in Python. Okay. Next, Python is portable and platform independent. Portable means it can run on different operating systems and hardware platforms. Okay, it has a rich library of predefined functions. इसकी लाइब्रेरी जो है वो बहुत ही रिच बनाई गई है और इसमें प्री-डिफाइंड फंक्शंस हैं जो कि हम एज इट इज यूज करते हैं. One of the main importance of Python is it is used in web development. In every popular web services and applications, Python is we are using Python. Okay. Next, it uses indentation for blocks. So Python, it always uses indentation for blocks and nested blocks. So this is all for today. We will learn in the next video how to download Python and how to write small programs in Python. Thank you. Hope you like it. Subscribe my channel.